Here are 4 of my road trip essentials. First, I've got this Ruby grid, which is actually bullet point mounting systems. So a place to keep my phone. I've got an iPad mini, so I keep it right there. I'm able to charge it up while I'm going, and then I also have my backup camera that's on the back of my camper hooked up to this wirelessly, so I use this as my backup camera so I don't have to sacrifice my actual backup camera for the back of my truck. So number 1 is you don't have to go all the way out like I did and get a hard mounted solution. There are a lot of mounted solutions for your phone, for your hands-free. So making sure that you have mounting and hands-free for your devices is key. I added this because I specifically wanted a spot for my iPad because I wanted to be able to use separate maps if I needed to, and then also use it for my backup camera. Number 2 is a simple one, and that is a power delivery ultra fast charging lighter plug car charger. So this one is a 60 watt, I believe. Yeah, 60 watt power delivery charger. It'll charge my phone in like a quarter of the time that it will take if I have it plugged into here into the Apple CarPlay. So that is something that's actually really important, and I use it a lot because I have different power banks that I might be charging for when I use at night, but I want to charge them up really quick and be able to cycle through a few things to recharge them while I'm driving. This will allow you to do that. All right, and then number 3 is this dash cam. So this is the Van True. I believe it's it's an HD. It has a camera for the front and a camera for the back to face me. This is more of a safety and an insurance type thing. So if anything does happen, you'll know if you get in a wreck, who's at fault, that kind of stuff. But it also has, it doesn't come with it, but you can get a hardwire kit and be able to hardwire it into the battery or the electrical system of your vehicle, and then it'll run 24/7 even while you have it parked. So if you have issues with break-ins or people messing with your vehicle, you can run your dash cam and get them on camera and that kind of stuff. So number 3 is a dash cam. And then number 4 is this, I guess what you would call it, a cup extender, a cup holder extender. It goes in the cup holder, you spin it around, and you can see these little things on the bottom expand, and that holds it into the cup holder. And it's perfect for your Stanley cups, your big bottles, coffee cups, things like that that wouldn't normally fit in a cup holder. Like this one really only fits 20 ounces in regular cups. So I have this and use it all the time. So that's 4 simple items that can make your road trips easier and more comfortable, especially if you're driving. So check out some of my other videos here. Appreciate y'all watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like it, and I will catch y'all on the next one.